Hello children, I am Anjali, your EVS teacher from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Children, today we are going to start our syllabus and today's our first lesson is Introduction of Animals. What? Introduction of Animals. So children, here you can see many different types of animals. For example, tiger, lion, cow, mosquito, cockroach, frog, parrot, snake, etc. So childrens, when we will see different types of animals, even their walking movements also different will be there, right? For example, tiger will walk on their legs, but snake don't have the legs, right? It will crawl. And parrot will fly, isn't it? So children, we can divide the animals on their movements. What are those? They are walking animals, flying animals. In flying animals, we can see birds and insects both, because even birds will also fly, insects also. So crawling animals, hopping animals and swimming animals. So children, now we will see one by one. First one is walking animals. What is that walking animals? The animals which move on their legs are called walking animals. For example, elephant, dog, cat, tiger, lion, goat, fox, cow, buffalo, etc. Here in this picture, you can see children how the elephant is walking on their legs. This elephant has four big legs and tail and trunk, big ears. So it is walking on their legs. And as well as even cat also walking on their legs only, isn't it? Yes. So this type of animals are called walking animals. Okay, so next one is flying animals. The animals that can fly are called flying animals. So examples are birds, insects. Why? Because even birds can also fly and insects can also fly. For example, parrot, sparrow, crow, mosquito, cockroach, etc. So for example, one bird we are seeing here, it is flying with the help of two wings, isn't it children? Yes, and it has two legs also and beak. This bird mouth is called beak. This beak, with this help of beak only, it eats the food. Okay, so in insects you can see the cockroach here, it has six legs, isn't it? And this antenna, two antennas which moving now, which is moving, no, these are called antennas, isn't it? So even cockroach will also fly. Yes, no? So this type of animals are called flying animals. So next we'll move on to crawling animals. The animals that which can crawl are called crawling animals. This type of animals, either they having small legs or else they are not having the legs at all. For example, snake, earthworm, snail, lizard, crocodile, etc. So children, in the first picture you can see the how this snake is moving, isn't it? This snake don't have the legs, but then also it is moving. And in second picture, this lizard, this is also crawling. It will not walk like us, isn't it? So crawling animals, some animals have the legs and some animals don't have the legs, but they will crawl. For example, see this picture, this lizard having four legs, then also it's crawling, but snake, it don't have the legs. So this type of animals are called crawling animals. So next, move on to hopping animals. So what are hopping animals? The animals which can hop or jump are called hopping animals. For example, kangaroo, frog, toad, etc. Toad means this is also type of a frog, and but it is in the bigger size. Okay, children. So in picture you can see this frog, how it's jumping, how it's hopping, and even kangaroo also how it's hopping. So this type of animals are called hopping animals. So next move on to swimming animals. So what are that swimming animals? The animals that which can swim are called swimming animals. So what type of animals will swim? Water animals, children, isn't it? Yes. So, for example, fish, dolphin, shark, whale, seahorse, still many more animals are there, swimming animals, okay, etc. So, in these two pictures, you can see fish and dolphin, how they are swimming, isn't it? Yes, this type of animals are called swimming animals. So, children, I hope you understood this introduction of animals. What are those? Walking animals, hopping animals, swimming animals, flying animals, etc. So children's, now the time for homework. So first one is, so write these insects name. So it is there in your textbook also, children. You have to write in the textbook also. So these three insects name you should write. And second one is match the following. So this one also it is there in your textbook in page number 3 only. So the next is circle the odd one. Circle the odd one in these pictures. Which one is odd? You have to circle. This is also it is there in your textbook. In textbook only you have to do. So childrens, regarding this lesson, notes and all, I will send it as a PDF in the group. Okay, that time you can copy in the classwork of EVS. Okay, thank you.